Hey there, till now we have evaluated various kind of model. For example, in session 11, we have created a model for regression and evaluate that model. It includes the R-square, mean absolute error, mean square error, and other field. In session 34, we have created multi-class classification. After evaluation, we got the macro accuracy and micro accuracy. In session 43, we have created a model for recommendation. And in the evaluation, we got the R-square, loss function, mean absolute error, and mean square error. We know that the model is good if its R-square value is close to the 1. But every trainer has a different property in the model evaluation result. And for each of them, there will be a different condition for the beta model. Some of them require value near to 1 for the beta model, some require value near to 0, and some require value near to 100, and etc. Obviously, it would be difficult to remember those things for developer. Microsoft has created a well-described documentation for that. Link to this web page is available in the resources. For binary classification, we will got those fields as a result of evolution. Here is a brief description for that property. Here in the bold letter, it shows the ideal value for the model. Accuracy close to 0 is better, but exactly 1 indicate an issue. Similarly, it has the details for the multi-class classification, regression, recommendation, clustering, ranking, anomaly detection. Based on your trainer, you can read the information from here and determine your model performing well or not. If it does not performing well, then you have to check for the trainer that you have used, or it's a hyperparameter, or the data that you have provided for the training. Goodbye.